Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Pratyush and today in this video we are going to create our very own AI chatbot just using Buildfy and with few API key just like OpenRouter, which is free to use. So with that being said, let's roll the intro. Alright, so here we have the demo. As you can see, this is our brand new chatbot. All you can do is simply type in any questions and will give you answer just like a basic chatbot. And also there is a feature of history so that you can revisit the entire chat that you have done with this chatbot. We will be creating this entire chatbot just using our tool known as Buildfy. So with that being said, let's start creating this. First of all, you have to download the Buildfy latest version. You can do so by visiting the link in the description. So here we have a blank canvas. Let's start by designing the entire interface. What we can do is start by creating some of the buttons like for the new chat and all. And also now there is a new feature to simply adjust the height, width and every single thing for the widget just by double clicking on it and utilize this feature to create some beautiful looking UIs. Let's try to modify it. You can choose any of the color, any kind of font you want. It's just the basic thing that I'm doing. Now we will be creating another button in here that will show the past history of the chats. So I'm gonna be simply duplicating this one. Now you can place it anywhere, somewhat like this. Now let's try to create the title in here. You can modify the text and simply change the color and every single thing over here. Now we will be creating a frame and changing its color a bit. And adjust the size of the frame. And here we will add an entry box where the user will type the questions. And we will be changing the text like enter your questions here or somewhat like that. Also, you can modify the properties from the edit widgets panel from the code itself and apply it. Alright, let's add a button to simply send the chat to the server. And that's it. We have created a very simple interface straight away in this app. Now what we can do is simply use the OpenRouter AI. So simply visit the website OpenRouter. I will be giving the link in the description and simply copy your own API key. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then consider subscribing, hit that like button below. I will meet you in the video. Until then, keep learning. Goodbye.